Hi guys! In this video, I will show you how to add a link to your TikTok bio using your Android phone. Just keep on watching this video and let's get started. So go to your TikTok app, then click your profile. So right here, click edit profile. Then you will see here bio. Add a bio to your profile. So you will see here Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter. So I will just add Twitter to my profile. Then click Authorize App. So I will add my Facebook link on my bio. I will tap this one. Then I will paste here my Facebook link. Then click Save. Then let's go back. So as you can see on my profile, there is a Twitter icon. And I have here my Facebook link. And that's it. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any question. Have a good day!